How to recover Telegram account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover Telegram account. In case you have ever just lost your access to Telegram or your Telegram account has been disabled, this is how you can recover it. So the first step is, of course, head over to your Safari or any web browser and then simply search for Telegram. After you search for Telegram, do not forget to add the support. And after you search for Telegram support, you will see the link right here. You can tap on it and open that up. Now right here, you will need to describe your problem to the Telegram support. Now you can just ask them to recover your account and just also state the reason why your account was disabled or why you lost your access to the account. After doing that, type in your full legal name. And after you type in your full legal name, what you'll need to do is you'll need to use your email. Now, this is very important as they will get back to you on this very email, and also your phone number. Now, use the phone number that was connected with your Telegram's account, and just use that very account number and then report this problem. After you report this problem, Telegram will get back to you on how you can recover that access, and that is how you can recover your Telegram account, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.